IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like bright colors or dark colors? Band 5. Answer.
I think I like bright colors more because they make me feel happy. But sometimes dark colors are okay. It depends on my mood.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas. Some hesitation implied, not well developed. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary, limited variety. Grammar. Mostly simple forms, no complexity. Pronunciation. Intelligible but plain. Typical of a Band 5. Communicative but basic. Band 7.5 Answer.
Generally, I gravitate toward brighter colors because they tend to lift my mood and make things appear more vibrant. However, I occasionally choose darker colors when I want to appear more formal or understated.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, developed, well-linked clauses. Lexical resource. Varied and precise, e.g., gravitate, vibrant, understated. Grammar. Mix of complex structures with accuracy. Pronunciation. Clear with natural rhythm. Typical of Band 7.5. More control and richness but not fully effortless. Band 9 Answer.
I'm naturally drawn to bright colors because they energize me and make spaces feel more dynamic. That said, I appreciate darker tones when I want something more refined or minimalist. They create a sense of focus without demanding attention.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, nuanced, well-organized response. Lexical resource. Precise, sophisticated, and idiomatic. Energize, refined, minimalist, demand attention. Grammar. Fully flexible and accurate with complex structures. Pronunciation. Natural, fluent, and easy to understand. Typical of Band 9. Complete command with nuance and style. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.